Hello students, in the previous session we have learned about the refining of petroleum. Let us learn about the various fractions or constituents of petroleum and their uses. Look at the table, it shows the various constituents and the uses. First one, petroleum gas. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. It is used as domestic and industrial fuel. Number 2, petrol. It is used as motor fuel, aviation fuel, that is used as a fuel in aircraft, and solvent for dry cleaning. Third one, kerosene. It is used as a fuel for stoves, lamps, and for jet aircraft. Diesel, it is used as fuel for heavy motor vehicles and electric generators. Fifth one, lubricating oil. It is used as a lubricant. Sixth, paraffin wax. It is used in making ointments, candles, and Vaseline, etc. Seventh, bitumen. It is used in making paints and road surfacing. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. These are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers, polythene, and other man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. Let us learn about the next fossil fuel, that is natural gas. Natural gas is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas, CNG. CNG is used for power generation. It is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. It is a cleaner fuel. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories, where it can be supplied through pipes. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara, Gujarat, and some parts of Delhi and other places. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. India has vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna-Godavari Delta. Some natural resources are limited. You know that some natural resources are exhaustible, like fossil fuels, forests, minerals, etc. You know that coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. It required the dead organisms millions of years to get converted into these fuels. On the other hand, the known reserves of these will last almost a few hundred years. Moreover, burning of these fuels is a major cause of air pollution. Their use is also linked to global warming. Petroleum conservation. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association (PCRA) advise people how to save petrol, diesel while driving. Their tips are: drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or at places where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure. Ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. If you are following, we can conserve the petroleum.